Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so happy that you find this account. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get a free $30 no deposit bonus for you to be able to start trading for free in 2025. This bonus requires no KYC, no deposit, and you can be able to withdraw your profit as soon as you are able to comply with their terms and conditions. And also their terms and conditions are very easy for you to comply with, and they will be clearly discussed in the middle of this video. So make sure that you stick to the end of this video so that you won't miss out on very important parts. Yeah, the truth is that you can be able to withdraw your profit. I can guarantee you that 100% sure. All right, but before we start, if this is your first time of coming across my video, I want you to like, comment, share and subscribe. And most importantly, do not forget to turn on your notification button so that when next I drop a no deposit bonus video or a pro firm video, you'll be the first person to get it. All right, and as you can see right here on my screen, this is our Telegram channel. If you know that you are interested in making money every day, even if the money is small, kindly go to the description of this video. In there you'll find a link to our Telegram. Click on it and join our Telegram channel. And also you can also get the link in our comment section. All you have to do is to go there and click on it, join our Telegram channel, and you'll start making money every day. All right, so now let's proceed into the process of claiming our free $30 no deposit bonus. The link to claim this bonus will be available for you in the description of this video and will also be pinned in the comment section. So the first thing for you to do is for you to go there, click on the link, and you'll be redirected back to my Telegram channel. In there you are going to have full access to the link that you are going to use to claim your free $30 no deposit bonus for you to start trading for free. Now once you click on the link, you'll be brought to this interface. And as you can see right here on my screen, this is it. Welcome bonus. Receive $30 bonus instantly without any deposit. So this means that this account is not for joke, it is real. So now let me show you how you can claim the bonus. So the next thing for you to do when you get to this interface is for you to click on participate now. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this. The next thing for you to do when you get here is for you to enter the necessary details, which include your full name, your birth year, your birth month, your birthday, your country, your city, your address. You know the drills. Just enter everything perfectly. Let me just do mine and I will get back to you shortly. So once you are done entering all of that, click on agree over here, click on this box and click on continue. So when you click on continue, so as you can see, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this. The next thing for you to do is for you to go to your email, copy the code that was sent there and paste it here. And once you are done, click on continue. So once you click on continue, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this. So all you have to do is to accept everything. Click on accept. Click on accept and click on continue. So now that you've clicked on continue, it will bring you to somewhere like this. I'm sorry I made a mistake the other time. I told you that it requires no KYC. I'm really sorry guys. But over here, they are making us to understand that it really requires KYC. So before we can be able to get our bonus, we have to verify our KYC first. So click on verify now. So once you click on verify now, you'll be taken to this interface. You'll be taken to this interface, and as you can see, the next thing for you to do is to click on this box. And these are the method that you can use to verify your KYC. You can either use your passport, your national ID card, or your driver license. So as for me, I'll be going for my national ID card. So you click on allow. So to verify your account, it's not going to take you more than 1 to 2 minutes before you verify your account. All right, so upload the front side of your ID card or your driver license and also the back card, and your account will be verified. As you can see, our account has been verified. This is it right here on our screen. Verification successful. So the next thing for you to do is for you to click on this three line up here. Click on it and click on funds. Click on accounts. And as you can see, there are two types of accounts over here. There is demo and we also have live account. So what we are going to do now is for us to open a live account. So click on open live account. So now the next thing for you to do is for you to select a $30 welcome bonus and the right ratio that I have showed you on the screen right now. So just click on continue. So as for the terms and condition, I'll be talking about it also in this video. And if you want to know more about the terms and condition, or you need guidance on how to withdraw from this platform, all you have to do is for you to subscribe to my Telegram channel. In there you are going to have direct access to me so that you can seek for my guidance one-on-one. So right now I'll be showing you how you can log in your free $30 no deposit bonus on your MT5 account for you to start trading and withdraw your profit. So when you get to this place, you just have to search for the name of their server, which is Grid. Enter your login details, your login and your password, and click on sign in. So once you click on sign in, as you can see right here on our screen, this is our free $30 no deposit bonus that we can start trading with. So now to talk about their terms and condition, focus and watch this video to the end so that you won't miss out on their terms and condition. So this is the terms and condition right here on our screen. So the target profit for this $30 no deposit bonus is $100. Before we can be able to withdraw, we must reach $100, and we have 30 days to reach the profit target. If not reached within this period, your account will be closed. The lot size that you have to trade is 10 lot size. 10 lot size. So these are the terms and conditions that are available right now. So you can start trading and you can withdraw your profit after complying with their terms and conditions. For more details on how to withdraw and guidance, join my Telegram channel, subscribe there, and you will have access to me directly so that you can know more about this particular platform. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your relative, drop a comment if you have been able to get yours. Have a good day.